What's going on, you guys? Chris here, and in this video I'm going to show you the best way to make use of the old bait you keep in your freezer. 3 days ago I took all of the bait I had out of my freezer and put it in this old cooler. It's fully defrosted. Basically, we've got a meat grinder attached to an electric motor. We're going to plug it in, put the fish in, and then out comes chum. Stick around because I know we're not fishing yet, but we are going to take this chum and head out into the Gulf and put it to use. So stick around for that. So now we're finished. It didn't take too long. It looks like the camera's been going for about an hour, but we finished. We've got them bagged up. Now what I'm gonna do is just rinse them and make sure all of them are sealed up fully, get them in the freezer, and I'll see y'all offshore. All right, you guys, we just made it to the spot. We're not very far offshore. We're only about 9 miles. I've got a bag of the chum you just seen me make, and I wanted to show you my chum bucket. This is what I use to put it in the water. I don't really like the nets just because here in the Panhandle, we have got an overpopulation of triggerfish and they will shred a net in no time. So I like using the bucket. It's just it's an Igloo Playmate, and I've just drilled some 3/8 holes in the lid. And I put the frozen chum in it, throw it in the water with a rope, and it draws the fish to you. In order to do this style of fishing, you've got to be able to anchor up or spot lock, because the fish are gonna follow that chum scent up to you. And if you're drift fishing, they're gonna have a hard time finding you. The chum isn't gonna drift away from you. You're gonna be more drifting with it. It's just not gonna work out as well. So also the drift, you know, you want some current to able to take, basically the goal is you want the chum to leave the boat. You want it to disappear behind the back of the boat and put your free lines in there with it, trying to catch you a snapper. But that's what we're doing. So we're gonna open our chum bucket and get this chum in it. And we'll throw it out the back of the boat. This over here. Okay, just like that. All right. Chum is in, and y'all, it'll take it a little bit of time to start really working, but you'll know because you'll physically see the fish in the chum behind the boat. And I've got something for y'all in this video. I bought a Insta 360 camera, and I've got it on a 12-foot pole. When the snapper and stuff are coming up in the chum, I'm going to take this camera and actually put it under the water surface so maybe we can see them a little bit better, maybe see what they are. But for now, we're going to just let the chum do his thing, and I'm going to get my cigar minnows out and get to fishing. If I like to bottom fish and have a free line out, so first thing we're going to do is put the free line out. And y'all, this is just a swivel with some 20-pound fluoro with a 3/0 mustad circle hook, and I'm going to put a whole cigar minnow on it, and I'm going to hook them right in the head just like that. And we'll toss her out the back and see if something wants to jump on her. Dang, drag's tight. All right, there we go. Oh, still trying to thaw out some cigar minnows. Whoa, that was fast. Check that out, y'all. Instant hookup. Whoa. Whoa. That's a good fish. It went down. Whoa. Okay. This feels big. Man. Talk about instant. Uh-oh, that rod holder came out. Come on, y'all. Come on, baby. Be a big old red snapper. I need a big one. That was instant hookup. All right. Whew. Whew. Take it easy. Take it easy. Y'all, it's dang, it's a grouper. Is that a red grouper? Dang, big gag grouper. Gag grouper came off of the bottom, y'all. Dang. Oh, wow. Look at that guy. Wow, what an epic first catch. We can't keep gag groupers. They're out of season. Y'all, that's the first gag grouper I've ever caught on a free line. This guy, these fish are hungry, y'all. If this guy came up like that, they're hungry. He was hooked pretty good down there in the bottom of his mouth, but he's gonna live. There we go. All right, y'all. There he is. We got to let him go. I don't think he's legal. They have to be 24. Oh, he would be a keeper. He's right at it. There we go. Got to let him go. And he's out of here. Good release. Y'all, these fish are hungry. Man, y'all, that was so cool. Didn't even get time to get set up really. That was awesome. Let's see if it happens again. Keeper grouper on 20-pound fluoro. Epic, man, epic. All right, let's see if we can't get some more thawed out. Oh, that was fast. Man, an instant hookup. Did it again. What could this be? Woo! Oh, he broke it. Dang, waves. Sheesh. Dang, y'all. They broke it that time. These fish are hungry. Yeah, he took my hook. Frayed the fluoro. That's all right. Let's go ahead and put on a new one. And what you want to do is just make sure this hook is exposed. And come up and grab it. Be there. Come on, baby. As soon as I look away is when it hits. A lot of fish everywhere on the screen, y'all. It doesn't surprise me we're getting hooked up instantly. Y'all take a look at that. Y'all look at all those fish, man. It's wild how many fish are out here. I'm scared to put a line on the bottom with the free line out. It might hook up. Oh yeah, oh yeah. There we go. Oh. Mangrove, I think. No. Triggerfish. Triggerfish. Dang it. Not what I want, y'all. Not what I want. Alright. Not bad, not bad. Yeah. Oh. Dang, I got two fish on. Dang it, y'all. I'm doubled up. This one here on the bottom. Man. Y'all, I'm doubled up. It's chaos. I'm doubled up. Oh, he's all in this thing. Okay. Hold up. Through there. Oh, it's a red snapper. Nope. It's a triggerfish. A big one. All right, get him in. All right, now get this guy. Whew. Man. Another grouper. Another gag grouper. Man, not what I wanted, y'all. We got another gag on the bottom. And a big trigger fish on the free line. Whew. Gag grouper are some of the prettiest fish out here. I caught this guy on an owner 2-aught mustad circle hook. Man, look at the design they got on these guys though. They're so pretty. No bear trauma. He looks good. We'll let him go. All right. That trigger fish. This might be a keeper trigger. 15. Nope, he ain't gonna do it. He's right at it. Triggerfish, I'm sure everybody knows why they call them triggerfish, because this little spin on their head, you can't push it down until you hit this little trigger, and then it comes down no trouble. Pretty cool fish, very tasty. This one's just a little bit too small. All right. Whew. That was epic. Let's do it again. I knew that was going to happen. They were going to double up. It making me... What the heck was that? Oh, pliers fell, I guess. I knew that was going to happen. I'll take a look. They're out there. That's a mangrove right there. Yeah. Sweet. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut up some chunks. Shake. Take these, throw them out there. Whoa! Free line. Yes. Oh, this is a big fish. Dang, I got one on the bottom again too. Come on, baby. We got to come up. Come on, baby. I can't tell. Come on, big mangrove. Big old triggerfish. Yeah. He might be a keeper. Whew. Man, that's a big one there. He might be legal. We'll see. All right. Whew. He's bigger than that last one, and that last one was dead on it. Oh yeah, this is a... Man, he's 15 and a half. Keeper. We got him. There we go. Baby red snapper. All right. About time we caught one. I know they're down there. We just got to get them turned on out. Chill out, buddy. You ain't what I want to keep. There he is, y'all. He got me. Oh man, this free line is killing me. There he is. There he is. Come on. Come on. This feels like a snapper. Fighting like one too. Maybe a mangrove. Come on. Oh yeah, that's red. That's red snapper. Come on. Oh yeah. Yes. Heck yeah, we got him. We got him. Uh-oh. Damn, I just dropped my rod insert over the side. Oh yeah. 17. That's overall length with these. Ow. Yeah, he's legal. Yeah. I can't tell which one's gonna get hit first. Yeah, they're swift on the bottom. There he is. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, broke it off. Or dang. Yeah, they broke that. Whew. Sheesh. All right, all right. There we go. There we go. Dang. What is this? Red snapper. Whew. That might be my second keeper. I think there's some bigger ones in the area, and I can only keep 2. So I think we should throw this guy back if he's legal. Because if he is, he's right on it. And I don't want to keep one that's just barely legal. Yeah, you see, he's right on it. Let him go. Right there. Just like that, y'all. These fish are so lit up over here. It is nuts. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I saw that. There he is. Freaking amberjack. Whoa. Whew. And that's a greater amberjack. We've got to let him go. They've got to get a lot bigger. Y'all see him. Oh. Yeah. Pound for pound, one of the hardest fighting fish out here. Y'all, all my cameras are about to die. I appreciate y'all sticking with me today and me showing you everything I know about chum. I think we got a lot of good footage, a lot of proof that the chum does work. There's still just fish swimming everywhere around me. And that battery, it's at about 10%. We call it a keeper grouper on a free line. If that doesn't show that chum brings them to you, I don't know what does, but I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Thanks.